So, good day everyone. For today, I will report about electrical charges. According to Meletus, investigated the ability of amber to attract nearby objects when rubbed with a piece of cloth. So, si tells of Meletus, nag-investigate si Ja ng mga object na mo-attract kung trapuhan ng panapton. In 1600, William Gilbert found that many other materials, when rubbed against another material, exhibit the same ability of amber. So si William Gilbert sabi niya sa na-discover na naapay hamok ng mga materials na pag itrapo sa laing materials, mag-portray na sila ng the same energy of amber. Lodestone, now known as magnetite or magnetized iron core, is another substance with a somewhat similar property. So, ang lodestone, also known as magnetized or magnetized iron core. There's another substance na medyo pareha sila na namo-attract sa iron even though dili na kailangan kuskuson in another materials or objects. Then, magnetism. So, when we say magnetism, it is the ability to attract iron. Ma-attract niya sa mga bakal-bakal. And then, magnets, the material having a property. Having the same property na ini. So, now we proceed to the nature of charges. Scientists explain the nature of electricity and magnetism and other related phenomena using the concept of electric charges. So, there are two subfields in electric charges. First is statics, the phenomena associated with the charge particle at rest. So, steady rin is a current induced in a conducting material. The presence of electrostatic field. Amo na example sa Coulomb law. Coulomb law. And then, second is electrodynamics. When we say dynamic, isamo kayo na siya. Studies those involving moving charges. So, a charge of particles in motion and changing electricity and magnetic fields. It is concerned with the effect such as magnetism, electromagnetic radiation, and electromagnetic induction. Example of electrostatics is clothing. And then, example of electrodynamic is radio waves, microwaves, visible lights, or X-rays. And then, in 1752, Benjamin Franklin conducted experiments using glass rods rubbed with silk and rubber rods rubbed with fur. So, si Benjamin Franklin naka-experiment siya na isa ka glass rod. For instance, this is our glass rod and then this is our silk cloth. So pag ato ko ni siya ini-irab, makuan ko ni siya mo attract ko ni siya diri asa ato glass rod or rods. And then, ini kibali ini si ja ining cell cloth amo ni ato ang negative charges. And then ang ato ini kibali kuan kanang glass rods amo ni si ja ang positive charges. Like there are two types of charges. Which we call positive and then negative charges. Positive charge of the glass rod. So, amo to ini ang positive. The rubber he designed as negative. So, Franklin also formulated the law of conservation of charges, which states that for an isolated system, the sum of the charges before and after an interact must be constant. So, same rin kasi sa dili isa otro. Its charge represented by Q is usually expressed the SI unit coulomb, abbreviated as C. Electrons and protons, which are subatomic particles, have experimentally established charge value of negative 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 and positive 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 respectively. Amo na sila ang mga value ni numbers. So, properties of charges, like charges or same charges, repel each other. Kanang, amo ni sila, magkabuyag na sila, maglaong, ini, like, for example, this, maglaong na sila, mubuyag. Chan. And then, unlike charges or different charges, attract each other. So, ini, like ni, mukha na sila, magtibo na mulaong attract. Kato, sa isa mo repel, magbuyag ni sila. And then, Coulomb's law, which states that the magnitude of electrostatic electrostatic force exerted by a point charge and on another point charge is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this is the symbols of Franklin. This is static force F and then equal to K and then Q1, Q2 over distance squared. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.